Hello, welcome to our ProCode developer-centric platform, Device, for app development. Today, I am going to walk you through our iOS app builder. But before that, let me give you some exciting insight about iOS app builder and how it can help you build faster, better apps for much cheaper than your current app development lifecycle. Firstly, every app needs a core structure, a few essential features apart from its unique logic, which is virtually the same for every app. Device takes over this essential task and delivers you a built app source code that hardly takes you minutes to create. Let's learn how this magic works. If you are creating app in our iOS app builder, you first need your app design, and no matter whether they are in Figma, Sketch or Adobe XD, we have got you covered. You can bring this design to Device and in return, we give you its fully functional code in a minute. Yeah, it's that easy. And don't worry, if you don't have a design file with you, we give you many different templates from e-commerce to music player to a movie streaming app. Or if you wish to pick your own screen, feel free to choose from our screen libraries and start building your app. That's even more. We also provide you additional customization features which you can utilize to even reduce your time in app development. So let's check our iOS app builder dashboard and all the features inside. To start with, we have screen list. It shows all the Figma design screens with an option to a summary of the screen and option to a select a splash screen. UI builder gives you all the options which an app development requires. You can convert your view into another view like UI label, UI button, UI text field, etc. Navigation, most basic thing an application has in navigation. Our iOS builder will help you set this up in a minute. On top of that, if you have already set up the prototype in your Figma design, you don't need to do anything, not even a single click, and your code for navigation will be generated automatically. API integration. Most of the application require some sort of connection with server to transfer data, like Facebook app refreshes feed data from the server, or when you upload a picture, you send it to the server. To set up these things, while development needs more focus, and with using Device graphical API integration, you can set up an API within a minute. Code. Last but the most important thing, source code and its ownership. You can instantly take away your code with you. Device is providing multiple options like you can directly download the source code folder and you can sync to code your GitHub and GitLab repository. So what are you waiting for? Start building your app with our Device. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding.